Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Evolution, and today I bring you a new update for the Aimogen plugin, which will focus on the chatbot feature. So the chatbot feature was hugely improved, and if we go down here and see the changelog of the plugin, you will see that chatbot was reworked in 1.2.7. This is the update from today. And new features will be added. Copy text if chat bubble is clicked, so people will write their chat. And if you can enable this feature from the settings of the plugin, now that people will be able to click the button, the chat bubble where they wrote the text, and it will be copied. That you will be able to change styling, colors, background color, form size, placeholder, submit button, scroll to the bottom of the form if new message added to the form, persistent chat support improved, predefined chat template support added, fix the fatal error when plugin activation in some cases, and some new features which will be able to moderate the chat using OpenAI's moderation endpoint. This is a new feature which was added today, and many more fixes and improvements. And let me show you the new feature of the plugin. So the AI chatbot menu was added here, and you will see that you will be able to customize the chatbot right here in the settings with a live preview chatbot. So for example, we will be able to add a context to the chatbot. We will be able to teach the chatbot what you want it to do. So for example, you can tell it converse as if you were a marketing agency assistant, be friendly, creative, respond only in English. So you can tell the bot how it should respond. It can use a tone of voice. You can set it by be friendly, creative, or set it with any custom prompt. For example, use a friendly tone of voice, respond only in German, French, English, any language that you wish, converse as if you were a support assistant, AI assistant, or anything that you wish. Username, set the name of the user. This will be prepended, but only for the chat. For the chat API, so this will be sent only to the AI content writer, and this will help it identify the messages, so if the message is coming from you or from the AI. Also, the AI name should be added here for better consistency, and the first message, this will appear here in the form. So let me show you how can I help you. So if we enter here the messages that are predefined, so hi, how can I help you? And this will be also sent to the AI when the user responds. Also, the styling of the chat can be changed. So as you can see, you can change the font size now. You can make the text big or smaller. You can change the form width, height, minimum height, input a placeholder, so this placeholder can also be changed. So write something. The submit button can also be changed to something else, and if we save here, we will see the write something and send. And also the background colors of the form can be changed. So for example, we can make it purple. Font color for the user, we can make it black. We can make user balloon green. AI font color, we can make it white. It is already white. And we can make the balloon color for the AI, for example, red. So it is not fitting well in the, let's make it a bit greener. Submit button color, let's make this black. and button text color a bit darker. So yeah, you can style now the chat as you wish, and if you save settings, you will see that now we can also converse with the chatbot. Okay, so if we go now to chat moderation, you will see that you will be able to moderate messages, and if we enable this and select the model, text moderation stable or text moderation latest, the plugin will be able to also moderate the messages which are sent. So if we enable moderation and click save, you can also define a message which will be appearing to users if they send a message which is moderated. So let's write here something that will be moderated, and it seems that it is working. So the moderation is activated now, and it seems that your message has been flagged as potentially harmful or inappropriate. So you can enable the moderation. It is also free. As a side note, that the moderation endpoint from OpenAI, it's free for use as it is in open beta now. You can also use some advanced settings, enable message copying by clicking it. So if we save this, and you can see that text copied message appeared, and if we paste it, the chat bubble will be copied. And this will work for all bubbles, also for your bubble and for the AI bubble. Scroll to the bottom of the form on new messages. If new messages are entered and the user scrolls up in the form here, when a new message is entered, it will automatically scroll down. Enable chatbot instant responses. If you want instant responses to appear, then the plugin will automatically add the text to the, so it will not use the typewriter effect. So you can see that right now it is using the typewriter effect, but if you want to use instant responses, the responses will appear instantly in the plugin. Okay, so you can also define a default chat mode. So you can switch to image chat, which replaces the text chat with an image chat. And in this case, images will be returned when users ask something. User token cap per day. You can define a token cap to define for each user. Persistent chat, you can set this to on to save persistent chats and to view them here in the persistent chat logs. Also, you can define prompt templates separated by semicolons, and let me show you how this will work. So how are you? This is my first prompt template. What day is today? Okay, now let's save settings. And we have here two prompt templates, and the users will be able to select some templates from here, and in this case they can edit it, but you can disable prompt editing from here and simply save. And now they will not be able to write here, but only to select the prompt templates from here, which will not be editable. So this will be how it will work from now on. Okay, so we have persistent chat to save chats and prompt templates. These are brand new features. And also API parameters. You can select the models which you want to use. GPT-4 also will be supported if you have access to it. Temperature, topi, penalty, and frequency, and the other penalty, which I will need to fix this. The frequency and I forgot the other one because I need to fix this. Okay, so yeah, this is the new version of Aimogen with enhanced chatbot support. Go ahead guys and check it, and it should really be able to increase the plugin's functionality. You can use the new chatbot in your site with the Aimogen chat form shortcode here, or the Gutenberg block, which will also be available. Okay, so check Aimogen, it is linked in this video's description. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. If you have any more ideas, let me know in the comments of this video. This is all for today. Bye bye.